I re-edited the Minecraft trailer so that Jack Black died twice. So, I'm gonna learn how I did these effects. Well, you're watching the right video because I'm about to show you how I did those things right now.
Absolutely. Pushing our fall with this water bucket. Release! Pushing our fall with this water bucket. Release!
You know what, I think Jack Black should fucking die. How can Jack Black die? You might be curious. Well, what if it was a lava bucket? Alright, blessing. How do you switch the colors of things? It's pretty easy. So you go to HSL secondary, you pick this color, and then you just add a bit to it. Then if we just switch the color to red and turn up the intensity, you can see that, okay, something is happening here. So now all I have to do is click the eyedropper with the plus to add the colors, and then I can just also adjust it. Okay, now it takes a bit of finesse, so let's add a bit of denoise. There we go, like lava. Let's blur it a bit. Okay, there we go. Now this is starting to look like lava. Now you're gonna notice we also added all these unnecessary colors, like Jack Black's t-shirt. That's okay, we could just click the minus eyedropper tool. It's pretty alright. Now it's still there. That's cool. We're just gonna do some masking. So click the volumetric color, and this button here will create an ellipse mask. So we're gonna choose that. Then we go drag our mask on here and then click on mask path. So we're just gonna track the bucket, so we can see that the bucket shows up right around here, right? So that's where we're gonna get our mask path. Maybe drag it here, and then the bucket comes up right here, right? So there we go. See, that was a frame. So we're just gonna go manually frame by frame. Oh yeah, Jack Black, you're about to fucking die. I don't hate Jack Black, but I'm just happy he's gonna die. We're just gonna click the eyedropper tool, choose the color here, and then do the same process all over again. You see, now this is a bad thing. With masking, the other colors are added. You just click the minus tool. It should take away a bit of the green, and there we go. Full. Let's keep going. And we're not looking for perfection, and hopefully my camera is not dying. There we go. That's that scene done. For this, I'm gonna use the pen tool and just go. Okay, so the scene ends here, so let's do the cut till here.
Don't worry! I'm gonna cushion our fall with this water bucket! Release!
I think that's pretty decent. Go to effects and find a glow effect to make it more realistic. There we go. And then we're just gonna do, I'm gonna notice that it kind of makes it glow. And let me see if I can copy the... Okay, so what we have done is if I just turn this off, we kind of like mask this layer so it adds a glow here, right? So I'm just gonna copy the mask from here and then paste it to opacity, the same mask, right? As you can see, and then let me see. So, and let's go with normal. So if we go normal and add a bit of feathers, the lava will glow. So it's a cool effect. It's just basically this is without the glow effect and then with the glow effect. The glow effect, by the way, comes with my chat editor preset, so you can get it in the link in the description below.
Water bucket! Release!
It actually looks like lava, doesn't it? So that's look at his eyes. When people fall into lava, I believe they drop items. So let's add that in. So I'm just gonna go to YouTube, and hopefully someone nice has already uploaded this. So let's Minecraft death green screen. Okay, there we go. Green screen death with items. That's exactly what we want. There we go, see? Okay, so that is where they should die. Go to comment, I already have a green screen effect. If you want these effects, it is in the chat editor presets. So you go here and then chat editor presets. So we're just gonna click this eyedropper tool here, click the thingamajiggy, the screen, and then boom, the items are falling. Just make it a bit bigger. Alright. I think we should track this a bit, so I'm just gonna click the watch button here on the position. So I think the items should drop from here Alright, so like that. Find my drop shadow effect, drag it on here. It's gonna add a bit of shadow to it, which is pretty cool. That's what we want. Minecraft, you died. That's what happens in Minecraft, right? When you die, this is what you get. Save image as. Now I'm gonna make a folder called Minecraft DL. We're gonna scale to frame size, right click it, and then drag in the green screen thing again. But then for color, let's pick this color. And actually, yeah, it doesn't look readable, so I'm just gonna drag a drop shadow effect in here, and there we go. So I think you get like a red screen when you die. So we're just gonna go to color matte, and then make like a red color matte, and then go on blend modes and pick a blend mode where it looks good. I think this looks alright, and then make it maybe like 50%. No, maybe like 64% looks good, I think. Yeah, let's preview what it looks like now. So I'm just gonna add an adjustment layer, click on label, and then maybe pick a green color so that we know what it is. Hit up, there we go. Motion on the screen, it's just like, oh. I think flashbang sound effect would be pretty funny. I'm gonna hit G and then take it down by 8 decibels. We want people to hear the flashbang, but not make it too loud where people are like, what the fuck? Alright.
Elytra wingsuits. Bye-bye.
Those things work, right?
Absolutely. Elytra wingsuits. Bye-bye.
Those things work, right?
Absolutely.
I want to basically make it 2 Jack Blacks. So I just want to turn this kid into Jack Black, basically. So we're just going to cut it like that, and I'm just going to copy this by holding Alt and dragging it. And I'm just going to replace this kid with Jack Black. So it's actually pretty easy to do. Obviously we're not doing something high quality. I think there's AI to do this. I don't know that. So I'm just going to right click it and go to replace with After Effects composition. Looks like it crashed. Well, fuck me.
Bruh.
Well, oh, there we go. No. Okay, so this might happen. You might think Premiere Pro crashed, but the reason it's not responding is because After Effects is like doing this thing. Just click once per session. Minecraft AE. So if you just save the After Effects project Premiere Pro, there you go, it comes back. So now all we need to do is rotoscope Jack Black. If you don't know how to rotoscope, I have like a video on it. It's literally 1 minute. Go watch it after this one. It's, I think, the best rotoscope tutorial on YouTube. And there we go. So now we actually have 2 Jack Blacks. Horizontal flip. Yep, there we go. Let's make this Jack Black like a bit bigger. Like big Jack Black. There we go. So there's the kid's arms. It's actually really easy to fix that. So now I'm also gonna duplicate it again just for the ease, and then replace After Effects composition, put this into After Effects. Now what we're gonna do is click on duplicate this and then just mask the, this is gonna take so long, but it's fine. Mask, like choose around the kid with the pen tool. I'm gonna hit P to do that. Boom, select the kid. Okay, so now if I just turn this off, only the kid is selected, right? Alright, so let's find content aware fill. Hit M to get the mask, and then mask we're gonna set to subtract. Okay, mask feather, there we go. Okay, generate fill layer. Alright, so now all we need to do is wait, and the kid should be gone. Oh, oof. I'm not sure if the let's see how that looks like. Oh, fair enough. I'm gonna see that the bars ain't exactly black here, this bit of this, but that's super easy to remove. You can just do it at the end. My camera might be about to die. Let me just change the battery. Yeah, I'll just change the battery super quick, and then we'll be back. Okay, so afterwards I just did the same process for the other scenes. Kinda got lazy, to be honest, and I also used Photoshop tools like Puppet Warp and AI to manipulate the images in a way that I wanted, which I explained all of that and more in this video right here. It's about Photoshop. It's the only Photoshop tutorial that you would ever need to watch. Go click here right now. Also, if you want to buy my preset packs or any of my courses, links are in the description below. And thank you for watching. I hope you have a blessed day or night, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.